These are 6 things that you can clean in your dishwasher to save yourself so much time cleaning. So at number 1 is the fridge compartment. I can't be the only one that hates cleaning these things. At number 2 is your microwavable dish, and those things really get smelly fast. Now at number 3, don't forget you can actually put your toothbrush holders in the dishwasher. Number 4, you can put your extractor fan hood vents in the dishwasher too. At number 5 is your toaster trays. I definitely need to do those more. And lastly at number 6 is the stove top. I find these so fidgety to clean, so chucking them in the dishwasher, the easiest way to do it. So now that I've put them in all at the same time, I'm going to go over the little areas that I've missed, so that I'm basically doing about 10 jobs all at the same time. I just think this is great for people that work 24/7 or their kids don't let them do any cleaning. So do make sure that you put your dishwashers to good use. If you found you learned a thing or two, don't forget to give me a follow, because I like to post cleaning hacks and motivation. Thanks for watching. Bye.